Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to set your Instagram account to either private or public using your iPhone running iOS 18 or later version. Whether you want more control over who sees your content or you're looking to expand your reach, understanding this setting is key. Let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone. Make sure you're already signed into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines and is situated at the top right edge of your profile page. Tap on this icon to proceed. In the Settings and Activity menu that appears, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Who Can See Your Content. Within this section, tap on Account Privacy. Here, you'll see the Private Account toggle. Pay attention to the position of the switch. To make your account private, simply tap the switch to turn it on. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Carefully review the message, and then tap the Switch to Private button located at the bottom of this pop-up. Your account is now set to private. This means that only the followers you have approved will be able to see your posts, stories, and reels. People who aren't following you will need to send a follow request, which you can then accept or decline. Now, if you decide you want to switch your account back to public, the process is just as straightforward. Simply return to this Account Privacy, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to manage your Instagram account's privacy settings on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.